Maddie, what is going on?
I'm eating snow.
Did we get a lot of snow?
Yeah.
How many inches?
I don't know. I have video camera in me.
I think we got like 16. Plus we already had 12. I'm exhausted just walking through it. Stop eating snow.
I like it too much.
I know. Oh my goodness. It's crazy. Crazy snow. Everything's covered. The swing set's covered. Trampoline's covered.
Hi.
Maddie's covered. I just buried her before. Oh, I took a seat. This crazy snow, Maddie, or what?
I like snow.
I hope it's yellow.
It's not.
I hope it's yellow snow.
Why?
You know why.
You want me to die.
And I do not. You won't die from yellow snow.
What happens then?
Snowstorm of 2010. February 10th. Goodbye. We're ready for summer.